Hutama Karya present Building Information Modeling. Understand Building Project. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, is a digital representation of physical and functional characteristics of a facility. A BIM is a shared knowledge resource for information about a facility, forming a reliable basis for decision during its life cycle, defined as existing from earliest conception to demolition. In the 3D stage, 3D modeling was made to get a visualization of the design, starting from 3D modeling of structures, architect, MEP, to landscapes. The 3D BIM modeling also contains information that can be integrated into various platforms. In BIM 3D, class detection checks are carried out to detect overlaps between some disciplines that could be occurred in the project. BIM 4D is a combination of work execution schedules with 3D models and produce animated work sequence and work schedule information in the project. With BIM 4D, we can control whether the work progress is already on time or is it delayed from the master schedule. BIM 5D is used to deliver quantity takeoff. In BIM 5D, volume calculations are generated automatically, accurate, and quickly, so that it can assist in volume calculation and minimize waste that could occur in the project. BIM 6D, or solar analysis, is used to determine the surface of a building that is exposed to sunlight within a year, so that it can be used to choose a friendlier facade material or determine the installation point of solar panels. BIM 7D is document facility management using the BIM 360 platform. With BIM 7D, it facilitates coordination between stakeholders during the building process and maintenance. On the BIM 360 platform, stakeholders collaborate on cloud-based or online data exchange. We also collaborate Autodesk technology with GIS. We export the 3D model to ArcGIS Online, and through this website, the stakeholders could see the progress of the project, such as the deviation, progress curve, and project in 360. We use Matterport for project in 360, so the stakeholders could do online site visit during this pandemic. One of the outputs of BIM is the use of VR, or virtual reality technology, in the project. With the use of VR, engineers and stakeholders can see the 3D modeling BIM design with a scale of 1:1 in detail, so that it can provide a visualization of the room and spaces that will be built. Hutama Karya also applies HoloLens technology to the stunt building project. HoloLens is mixed reality smart glasses, and the control sensor in this tool uses voice and body gestures, such as bloom, tap, ready, drag, and hold. In its application, HoloLens is used as a medium for digital communication and coordination between engineers. The BIM model that has been made can be exported to these smart glasses and looks like a hologram, so we can still see our surrounding area in the project. HoloLens can be applied directly according to the project coordinates with a scale of 1:1. This technology is very useful, especially for the SOM and QC team, to check the suitability between the model and the project. We also developing copy sheet based on our models, so the stakeholders could use it on the maintenance process. The implementation of BIM in stunt building project has many benefits, such as more targeted visualization and easily measurable. BIM modeling is rich in access to information and data. BIM could minimize errors in the field and detect overlaps in structural work, architect to MEP. Effective and could reduce production costs because it reduces material waste, make it easier for stakeholders to collaborate online from construction process to maintenance. Besides that, the copy sheet that we produce could facilitate the stakeholders during the maintenance process. Hutama Karya, Innovation for Solution.